Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Working Money, getting your money working for you. Today's episode, we're going to talk a little bit about art and cryptocurrency. So I was doing some research. I found this article in ArtNet News, and this gallery believes cryptocurrency is the future. And it just sold a piece worth nearly $1.3 million USD in Bitcoin to prove it. So let's talk a little bit about this article. I'm going to read a little bit of the article and then we'll discuss. So as the art world continues to adapt to the rise of cryptocurrency, one gallery just may be ahead of the curve. The Atto Gallery, an online venture founded by Carrie Eldridge in 2016, has announced the sale of a painting by New York mixed media artist Benjamin Katz for 150 Bitcoin, the equivalent of more than $1.25 million USD at the time of the sale, and a record price in cryptocurrency for a work of art. Now, this is a very interesting article. So I'm guessing that this particular gallery just sold their first piece of art for cryptocurrency in the sum of 150 Bitcoin. Now, as we know, cryptocurrency is very volatile, but also we also know that a lot of high net earning individuals tend to invest in art because they believe it's a safe haven and it's a good investment. So to diversify their portfolio, some high earning individuals will invest in stocks and other things, and art is just one of those things that they invest in. So is that a good investment? We know cryptocurrency is super volatile and can gain hundreds if not thousands of percent per year. So is it worth putting cryptocurrency into art instead of just maybe hodling your cryptocurrency? So I did a little bit of research here and I couldn't find too much just off the little research that I did. But let's do some math here, guys. I found this one here. So Jean-Michel Basquiat and his piece Untitled from 1982 sold for $110.4 million USD. And this is a list from 2017. So let's read a little bit here. The large, intense canvas of a skull on a bright blue background had not been seen publicly exhibited in 35 years, according to Sotheby's, and had been in the collection of Emily and Jerry Spiegel since it was purchased by Christie's in May 1984 for $19,000. So in May 1984, the Spiegels purchased this artwork for $19,000. And eventually in 2017, I guess it was their kids because they passed away in 2009, sold it for $110.4 million. So what is the percentage increase on that over the years? So it was $110 million, 0.4 million, less 19,000. That equals that. Divided by 19,000 times 100. And as we can see, guys, in that span of time, the price increased by 580,952%. Now, over how many years was that? So it was purchased in, what did we say, 1984, sold in 2017. So 84, 94, 2004, 2014, it's 30 years, 33 years. So in 33 years, so even just if we divide that by 33 years, that is a percentage increase of 17,604% per year return on investment. So that's pretty good. I mean, we do know some cryptocurrencies have also skyrocketed quite a bit over some years, but over other years they haven't. So let's take a look at another painting here. So wow, painting bought for $5,212 in 2013 sells for $5.2 million. Okay, well, let's do some math on that. So 5.2 million less, what was it bought for again? 5,212. Okay, equals, divided by 5,212 times 100. So for this piece of art, we've seen an increase of 99,669% over how many years? This sold in... What year did this sell in? 2013. No, sorry, it was bought in 2013. Sold in 2015, I believe. Oh, wow. So that was pretty recent. Sold in 2015. Where does it say that? Well, this article was written in 2015, so I'm assuming it was sold in 2015. So just over 2 years, it sold for that amount. So divided by 2. And that's an increase of 49,834%. So, guys, I don't know. I don't know what the answer is. I mean, these are pretty good return on investments. Even though we do know that, some cryptocurrencies like Ripple and Ethereum and Bitcoin have seen huge gains in time. Art is a very good investment. I mean, granted, these things can be pretty expensive. Although this one here, $5,000, is not too much. In 2013, if I could have gotten a return of $5.2 million in 2 years, this would have been a great painting to purchase, right? And just one last thing here. This article, I remember this article from the news back in February 2018. This man will only sell his condo for Bitcoin, and here's why. Well, I read this article just to make a long story short. This guy is an investment banker in Toronto, and he's used to volatility. He's a derivative trader, ex-derivative trader from Wall Street, and he's actually used to volatility. And he had a condo in Toronto, and he thought, you know what, I'm going to just sell this condo for Bitcoin because I know Bitcoin's volatile. I know it's the future. He believes in cryptocurrency, and so he's going to see what happens. I don't know what the verdict was on this, if he sold his condo or not, but I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? Do you guys think investing your Bitcoin in art is a good idea or a bad idea? And what about real estate? Do you think you'll get a better return if you just hold your Bitcoin or your Ethereum, or do you think you'll get a better return in the real estate market in Toronto, which I don't know if any of you guys know is pretty hot right now? So anyways, guys, you guys let me know. Add a subscribe, add a like to this video, please. Tell your friends all about it. I'd like to see your comments. What do you guys think? You guys think it's, smarter to hold your cryptocurrency, or would you invest in something like art? Love to hear what you guys think. That's going to do it for me for this video, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.